Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some cookies and cream truffles. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to the notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
Break up a sleeve of Oreo cookies and put it into a food processor. Pulse until fine crumbs, or place the Oreos into a ziplock bag and hit with a rolling pin until fine crumbs. Reserve about a tablespoon of the Oreo crumbs. Then add in 1 tub of cream cheese and mix until smooth. Then add in 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and mix until well combined. Spoon about a teaspoon sized ball of the mixture onto a lined baking sheet. Place into the freezer for 20 minutes. Roll each ball until smooth. Then place back into the freezer for 10 more minutes. Dip the Oreo balls into 200 grams of melted white chocolate. I used compound chocolate. Tap off the excess and sprinkle some Oreo crumbs on top. Place into the fridge for a few minutes for the chocolate to harden. And enjoy!